So I guess I'm gonna start tearing apart this bit by bit since we're not gonna, oh, did you wanna start the car to show that it's running? I mean, I think I have it starting, but. Ramps, yeah. More. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Because they flat. It's hard to tell.
So, running and driving KA for sale. 5,000, I know what I got.
All right, but anyway, so I'm gonna start to take this apart. I'll probably put this phone somewhere so I can record some of it. I'm guessing I'll start by undoing the battery. And then, bit by bit, we'll get this, oh God.
It's cool.
You think?
No, cool. Well, that makes it easy. It's already drained.
All right, well, I'll be back with some of this shit off, hopefully. Wish me luck. Before I time-lapse this. Wow, yeah, that went right through. Oh man, I haven't looked at this underneath yet. Oh, I don't know if I'm ready. Got a flashlight? Wow.
It's collapsed.
No kidding, this whole thing.
Yep,
Oh,
right
damn.
On the bed.
Look up here.
Water, right?
Look up here. Oh my God, that's real bad up there. That's what I'm nervous about.
That's fine.
Oh, it's going right through.
Yeah, but the carpet's on that side, so you pull the carpet back and then grind that all up and then weld in replacement metal.
Wow. What about the other ones?
This is fine.
That one's fine.
Rock solid.
That's so strange.
Ooh, is that through the floor?
Yeah, that is.
It's bottom of the carpet.
Yep, that's the fucking seat. Oh, Edgar. Watch your eyes. It's all going in your eyes, babe.
That's all right. We'll get it. Take care. Good old automatic. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Got the fucking muffler clamped together with a big old zipped worm gear set.
That's the original muffler.
Non-ABS car.
Spider City. Spider City under here. Oop. Yeah, so we got our work cut out for us.
The steep version. Oh yeah. Also, the brake line's busted.
Oh, you think? That explains the sponginess.
Oh, well, good thing it's from here to there. It's like 6 inches of brake line. And then we'll drop this whole thing and then do all the bushings and everything.
We'll have to. Damn. Well, fun little project. Nothing.
Yeah, all these lines will have to be replaced.
Yeah, no kidding.
They're rusting through, so.
Corroded.
These are your fuel lines, evap, and then brake. So we'll get them all changed up. It's leaking fuel from this fuel line right here. It's got like a pinhole with it on the soft line. Oh, there's the when I ran over the fucking lift stud. So fucking dumb. I didn't even see it on the ground. I just heard. What the fuck?
You've done that.
5, 60, 15.
You've done that a few times.
Got a brand new alternator on it. Oh shit, didn't even tighten it up. Yeah, I'm already finding these shit.
Well, you don't care, right? Because we're not keeping it, right? Because we're not using it, right? So, all right. So the only thing I need to be concerned with is what needs to be fixed.
Should be a cold $10 holding this. Man, you never see these on the shields. This is all torn up.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not really sure how useful this one is. Got our work cut out for us. Follow along. Ooh, yeah, I could use the gun, right?
Yeah. You're probably gonna have to use a ratchet.
Yeah.
That's not enough torque to get all that stuff out.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, all this crust.
Quick stuff. So far this is coming out, but I feel it's gonna snap. Oh no, she's coming.
Just break the rest off. Oh gosh. All right.
The less stuff that we snap out in the fucking car, the easier it will be
Yeah.
to deal with. We don't like just there's gonna be a whole box of bolts that we're not gonna ever really use.
Well, I have the supplies here to keep things organized, so.
Yeah, it's not even snap this one off.
Well, I didn't touch it yet, so you can't blame me.
It's your car.
I know.
Snap it off, it's your problem.
Can I start from up top?
Yeah.
Yeah, because, like, this is all gross. And, it's got spider fibs. Yeah, a lot of this shit's got to come off. And I feel like we're going to need, like, a lot of new, like, we'll probably need all new bushings. And I don't, this has to get fixed, right? Well, that's not like the worst thing, right? Because it's just to get it up in the air, but.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely has to be fixed. This is very common. And this, like I said, they literally make the fucking welding replacement, so we've cut this section out, weld in the replacement corner. They're not expensive at all.
Add it to the list.
Yippee.
These are the worst fucking clamps.
So easy trick with them is to just take the locking clip, pull it up just enough. You can see I'm behind the locking tab. So once you pull it out enough to get behind the locking tab, then it's essentially able to pull out. So I pulled it all the way out.
Good.
But once you get behind it, then you can push the clip back in and pull it off, and boom, it's ready for you to, if you're ever going to install it with the clip. Because if you take that clip off and then pull the connector back off, it's going to be a bitch getting this clip back in and getting around these two bottom ears. So you can use the actual connector to put the clip back in.
Yes, as I struggle with these clips that I've never before seen. Yeah, they're like, here.
one. Push on the tab and pull. That's the lock sensor harness. There we go.
Yeah, Edgar makes everything look very easy.
So with these, they're covered in rubber. But essentially, right here, inside here is a lock. So if you take your needle nose and squeeze it right there, you'll undo the lock and be able to just slide it right off.
Thank you for that. I was struggling.
Here's another one of them fucking things.
Yeah, on that one. Needle nose jobbies.
No, this one will be a flathead screwdriver. You can use the flathead to get the locks off too. So this one's a little bit more difficult because the locks kind of wrap around the bottom. So you gotta push. You gotta push. Can't see.
Oh, there it is.
You can kind of come around it.
Oh, this is a horrible design. So glad that this is no longer in use.
These you can generally get back on.
Generally.
There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. She's ready for install. All right.
For install, we are ripping this out. All right, wish me good luck again. I'm back to this.
Fucking joke. Good thing we didn't just say fuck it and try to fire it up with what was in it, because this time we both try ride it like a bitch.
Yeah, I mean, I can see through it.
You would have pulled an Albert and the bitch would have snapped.
Oh God, why? Let's not start calling that an Albert. Start calling like kid haircuts an Albert. Speaking of, you need one.
Yeah, I'm probably due for one. In the house, bells.
Day one. This is where she be at. A clusterfuck. What do you think, babe? Eric gave me a new oil pump.
Well, neither one anyways, didn't matter. But when I was taking the oil pan off, I accidentally busted the bypass valve housing on the oil pump. So needless to say, it now has an N1 oil pump with PRP billet gears and billet backing plate. So yeah. Yay. Fun stuff. I mean, it needed one, and we should have put something on it anyway. So now we don't, at least don't have to worry about breaking the oil pump.
Right now, Edgar's trying to find me a RB trans because we have a CDO9 and doing some thinking, and it's a used CDO9, and what the LOJ kit is probably about $1,000, and then I still need a shifter, which is about $1,000. So for $2,000, I could probably just buy a new RB trans, and it would fit. And I have the drive shaft for the RB. Apparently, that doesn't work with the CDO9, and I'd have to switch up the rear. That's a lot to do when we could just get a used RB trans.
Yeah, or even if we just bought a new one, but yeah.
Or a new one. Used would be cool because it's a used engine.
Cheaper.
Cheap.
If we found a good used, oh, what is this? 6 days ago, it's an RB20 trans.
RB20. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you. Maybe we'll be back tomorrow. Crackhead prices out there. How much?
$2,200 for a used RB5 trans.
Dirt on this all? So we have a buyer for the KA. Yes?
Apparently.
Apparently. They better, because we're going to be here Saturday morning early for them, so it would be nice if they came and got it. which is good because we could fund the project a little bit, as we spent some doll hairs yesterday and I need to recoup some. So Edgar just chopped everything because he has no fear, where me, I take my time and look at everything and where everything goes. But he cut all these lines because it doesn't matter. So they're all, well, no, I chopped those, but he cut all these.
Yeah, you actually chopped those.
I chopped these, yeah, you could see, because they're long and they're unnecessarily long, where I could have just cut them here, but I didn't know. We'll see. So you're taking off.
This is all the EGR crap.
Well, we're not using that?
Nope.
Okay. Is that going to go with the engine?
Yep.
You said the EGR? You want to tell people what that stands for?
Exhaust gas recirculation.
And what does the EGR do?
Recirculate exhaust gases into the intake for emissions.
Yes. Now, that's important for people who have to pass emissions, but this finna be a race car, I think, right? So, we won't have to worry about that as much, because we were gonna run it a couple times a year on the track. Maybe a couple more than a couple more. That'd be cool.
This bitch is getting tagged.
Are we gonna tag it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know. I thought we were just gonna have it on the track this year.
Yeah, you should be able to drive it too.
Okay. Are you keeping all those bolts?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do now? What's the next thing? Because this is all chopped, so what do I need to start removing this stuff?
Now, so this throttle cable, it's got to come off. I'm going to get a 12 or a 14 millimeter wrench to get the lock jam nuts loose. Right here.
Oh, right here. So I'll need a little wrench probably.
You see it comes out here. You see it's got a slot right there, so you pull it out to the side.
Okay, we're gonna remove this harness. This tool helps. What is this name of this tool called? The popper?
I guess.
I definitely broke that one. This is gonna take some time to get used to. Does it matter if I break them? Because I definitely broke it.
Yeah, they're gonna break.
Okay. Oh, definitely broke that off too. Oh, fuck, no.
What's gonna happen?
I snapped that right off. Damn. I know, it's because the thing pivoted. And like, I put like all my pressure on it and the fucking ratchet went blink. And it just snapped the fucking, can I just push that through?
No, it's really good. I'd have to get drilled out.
From the inside? Can I reach it?
No, you have to drill it out this way.
I can reach it from in here.
Yeah, but there's nothing you can do about it.
Okay. All right, well, that's what not to do.
What the fuck is that?
What? That's another battery?
Somebody, that's why this shit was not charging and acting stupid. There
Wait,
was
what
no
fuck?
engine ground. So this ground is supposed to go to the engine, to the intake right there actually. And they took it off and put a battery terminal on it, I guess when this fell and they couldn't find the original battery terminal. What the fuck?
My gosh. This is my bolt I snapped off the ground. I was worried about breaking these, but apparently that's what they do. They break. Oh, motherfucker. Okay. All right. Okay, so we've got the harness off. I did do it. But Edgar's got to do these little
screwdriver.
pinchies because they are impossible for me to get off. So you said this stuff goes to the transmission?
Well, it ties the alternator and all the power supply stuff to the chassis. Yeah, we got the transmission stuff as well.
Which we don't need.
now. That stuff's gonna go. It's the alternator. Yep.
Ready. Are we gonna move the fuse box? I guess so.
We'll have to move it back. Oh, so the lock is still there, but the piece to remove the lock is not. There we go. So we'll probably take that and just slide it up one bolt to get it away from where the intake is gonna sit.
Yeah, just imagine. Intake, manifold, RB25. Nice turbo. Wait, what turbo am I doing? We don't know yet. We'll figure you out over here.
Oh, that sounds like Paul. Yep.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so this is where we are now. Almost ready to yank this Joan out. We're disconnected from almost everything.
Oh, she's almost ready to pull. The harness.
Harness what you have to do through the...
Yeah, on both motor mounts and this is the way to yank the fuck out.
Good, we'll get it all packaged, and then I'll be cleaning this before we do anything else. I am excited to clean, I have to say, because this Joan is dirty. How am I gonna get the rust out? Can I sand it a little bit?
We'll worry about that when we get paint and stuff.
Are you pumped?
Yeah.
You excited to see me do some spinning out?
No, you're not gonna do no spinning out.
Do some, no, I'm so excited. These cars are fun as hell to drive too. They're like little peanut cars, so you could whip them. Whip it. What is that Neo song? No, not Neo.
What?
Devo? Devo? Oh, damn. My dad would be disappointed.
Yeah.
Okay, she's ready.